Hi, this is Don Williams, and I'm editor of Ultimate Motorcycling Magazine. And we're out testing the new Ram X from Arai. And the first thing I notice, of course, is when you're riding, is that you have a gigantic panoramic view. You can see nothing in either side of your eyes. All you see is the road. And when you have a full face helmet on, there's a restriction on that, especially when you're looking over your shoulder. So I really like that. I've always been a big fan of the Pro Shade. And this one actually works even better than the ones on the full face. It's easier to just lift up to block the sun a little bit or get it out of the way completely. That is a very nice feature of this, although it's not wanting to go back down here. I did notice that if I want to flick things up, it's always a left hand thing. If I pull it in the center, it doesn't want to go, but if I pull it on the side, then that's when it pops up. And even then, it's a little bit more, when my head's in it, it works. I really like the new Corsair style vents. You can just pop those open while you're riding, and back there it's very intuitive reaching to them, and that's exactly what I want. And it was a little cooler just early, and then it warmed up, and I was able to deal with that. Chin strap's the normal thing. The fit is really a nice fit. I'm an Arai head, so it makes sense that it would fit me. And there's not a lot, obviously, to say about the helmet other than it's comfortable, it's easy to use, and if you like an open face helmet where you like that view, you like that peripheral vision, you just can't beat it with a full face.